The next type of survey we'll discuss is CATI over web or CAL surveys. Partners, CATI over web surveys are less common. However, you still need to know how to move through those surveys accurately. You'll dial them in your interviewer. You'll conduct that survey in a separate browser window, and you'll disposition the call in your interviewer. So the numbers will appear on your screen in your interviewer the same as non-CAL surveys. You'll see your introduction. Remember, partners, information in parentheses, in bold text, or in text of a different color are directionals or prompts for you to know how to move through your surveys appropriately, and they should not be read to your respondents. You'll click the link in your interviewer page and conduct that survey in another window. When conducting the survey, the screen should be arranged so that the PIN number is visible on your interviewer. You'll see the link to click within your interviewer to open that survey in that separate browser window. It's going to open in a tab that you'll need to drag down with your cursor to create a separate browser. You'll click that To Sheet icon next to the exit button to make that screen smaller and arrange it in front of your interviewer so this PIN number and your call timestamp are visible as you're asking those survey questions throughout your survey. If your screen size allows it, partners, you're able to arrange those windows side by side. You must, again, still be able to see that new browser with those survey questions as you're completing that survey, as well as the PIN number and the call timestamp throughout the entire call. You'll ask those survey questions in that window until you reach the end of the survey or the survey terminates. Usually, though not always, the survey will terminate automatically if your respondent is disqualified. For this reason, it's important to attend that pre-shift meeting to get a list of what those qualifying questions are, so you'll know when to manually terminate a survey if necessary. Once you've finished that survey in the window, you'll return to your interviewer to dispose of the call, and it's very important that you dispose of the calls accurately. If your respondent is disqualified by any of those qualifying questions, the survey will terminate early, or you may need to manually terminate. You return to your interviewer and disposition that call as a terminate. If your respondent qualifies for the survey and completes all questions, then the survey will qualify as a complete. Remember, they must answer all survey questions to qualify as a complete. Return to your interviewer and disposition the call as a complete. If the respondent hangs up on you within those first few questions, click X at the top right-hand corner of that survey page and dispose of that call as not available in your interviewer.